my name is Olga Serbo. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and licensed behavior analyst. And today we're talking about a major milestone for many parents, potty training your child with autism. This process can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, patience, and consistency, it's absolutely achievable. But before we start, as always, I would like to encourage you to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so you can benefit from weekly information on the subject of autism. Speaking from experience, I've worked with many children on the spectrum of various ages and development levels to help them with potty training. One thing I've learned is that no single approach works for every child. The initial strategies I used often had to be adjusted because each child is unique with their own needs, strengths, and challenges. What I want every parent to know from start is this. There isn't one size fits all potty training method that will perfectly suit your child. However, there are key principles and techniques that can make the process smoother and support your journey. Potty training is about adapting, being patient, and finding what works best for your child. So, where we start? The first step is recognizing if your child is ready. Potty training is more successful when the child shows signs of readiness rather than starting based on your timeline. Signs to watch for includes physical signs such as pulling at their diaper or trying to remove it after urination. Behavioral signs, hiding or squatting when they need to poop. Third one, curiosity. Watching others use the bathroom or showing interest in the toilet. And the last one is the discomfort, indicating that they don't like being wet or dirty. If your child isn't showing these signs yet, don't rush. Introduce the idea gradually to build familiarity and comfort. The first step into potty training a child with autism is to observe and prepare. Observe your child's cues when they need to go, such as wiggling, hiding, or having a meltdown. Note the time they usually urinate or have a bowel movement. Introduce the concept of potty slowly, free of stress or pressure. Let the child see you using the bathroom to understand its purpose. Verbally, label the toilet or potty chair. This is the toilet. We use it to pee and poop. Show videos or read books about potty training to make it relatable. Set up a welcoming bathroom environment. Use a small potty chair or a child-friendly toilet seat with their favorite characters. Add fun elements like lights, stickers, or sensory-friendly textures to make it inviting. Second step, create a routine. Start slow. Begin by having your child sit on the potty fully clothed for a short period to get comfortable. Progress to sitting with their diapers off, but without pressure to produce results. Use a timer to encourage regular potty trips. Start with 15-20 minutes, then adjust based on your child's needs. You can encourage your child to drink plenty of fluid to create more opportunities to practice. Therefore, in my opinion, that is not always the case. Third step, use visual supports and communication such as visual schedules. Create a step-by-step visual guide for potty routines using pictures or books. For example, pull down pants, sit on a potty, wipe, flush, wash hands. Use simple instructions with 1 or 2 words directions, like sit, flush, or wash. Fourth step, reinforce and celebrate success. Use positive reinforcement such as praise your child enthusiastically when they use the potty, even if it's just sitting down. Use rewards like stickers, small toys, or favorite snacks for successful attempts. Allow access to special activities or games only during potty time, such as drawing on a dry eraser board while sitting backward on the toilet. Fifth and last step, address accidents positively. Accidents are part of the process. Clean them up without scolding or frustration. Say something encouraging like, next time, let's try to get to the potty. Avoid reverting to diapers during the day, as this can confuse your child. Use training underwear instead to help them feel the wetness and discomfort. Before ending this video, I would like to offer you some tips for common challenges that may occur during the potty training. For resistance or fear of toilet, try smaller potty chairs. Some children may find the full-size toilet intimidating. Play pretend. Use dolls or toys to demonstrate the potty process. Gradual exposure. Start with sitting on the toilet with the lid down, then progress to sitting with it open. For sensory sensitivities, use noise-canceling headphones if the sound of flushing is distressing. Provide a padded potty seat for extra comfort. Allow them to bring favorite objects or toys into the bathroom for reassurance. For children who prefer solitary play, allow privacy. Let them use the potty in a quiet private space if they prefer that. Encourage independency. Teach them how to use the potty without needing constant supervision. Good luck and thank you for watching. If you found these strategies helpful, please share this video with other parents and leave a comment below with your experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on supporting children with autism.